idea. Whoa! I can see a roller coaster from here. Cool. Hi, welcome to Avengers Campus.
Woo!
Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Well, you know, just spider stuff. Time for some field testing. Hey, could you record it for me? Tag me later. Hey, Sharon, let's do an altitude test for the new improvements.
Great, Spider-Man. Logging altitude test number 135.
I think you might be rounding up.
Based on previous tests, predicted rate of success, 14%.
Now you're rounding down, right? Okay, no pressure, but there are a lot of people watching. Whoa! I can see a castle from here. Head rush, body rush, feet rush. Woo! Do not hold your applause.
Spider-Man, a message for you from Mr. Stark. Socialize immediately. Proceed directly to hanging out with friends. I concur.
Okay, I'll be right down.
Is that where Spider-Man's gonna sign his book? You made a spot for him? Yep. We're gonna meet him.
High five? Yeah.
Spider-Man, you're back left.
Jojo, you're gonna be here stronger, baby. No, I told them you should go in there.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. No, no, you're fine. That's okay. Yeah, she'll take your.
Yeah, just a few. About 8. Thanks, Spider. Can you show me? Did you sign your book? Look at that! That's so cool, dude.